Dear friends, have a good day. Here in this video, today we are going to look at pie diagram in Excel charts. First off, you must know what is pie diagram. A pie diagram is a circle that is divided into slices and each slice represents a proportion of the whole. It is a graphical object used to represent the data in your Excel spreadsheet that uses one series of data to create the graph. Pie charts are generally used to show percentage or proportional data, and usually the percentage represented by each category is provided next to the corresponding slice of pie. Pie charts are good for displaying data for around 6 categories or fewer. That is, the pie chart is used when a single variable is divided into various categories. Say for example, if you divide your monthly salary into various components, say for example house rent, grocery, entertainment, transport, savings, miscellaneous, something like that, then we'll go for pie chart. Draw a pie diagram to the following data. Here the data has been given: ocean and the area occupied by the ocean in million square kilometer. Pacific Ocean occupies 70.8 million square kilometer, Atlantic Ocean occupies 41.2 million square kilometer, Indian Ocean occupies 28.5 million square kilometer, Antarctic Ocean occupies 7.6 million square kilometer, Arctic Ocean occupies 4.8 million square kilometer. Now we are going to draw a pie diagram to the above data. First off, open an Excel workbook and enter the given data. This is the opening screen of my desktop. There you can find the start button. Click here the start button. Then the screen will look like this. There you can find a Microsoft Excel icon. Here this is the Microsoft Excel icon. Click here. Then the screen will open. Then click here to create a blank workbook. So now you have successfully launched the Excel workbook. Now we are going to enter the data you want to create a chart. The data has been entered successfully. This is the data we have entered. Now select the cells that contains the data you want to create a chart. Here we have selected the data. Now select the Insert tab in the menu bar. This is the Insert tab in the menu bar. Click here. Then what will happen is, the tools available in the Insert tab will be displayed on the screen. These are all the tools available in the Insert menu. Now click here to create a pie chart. Now this option box will open. There you can find the option More Pie Charts. Click here the option More Pie Charts. Then the Insert Chart tab will open. This is the Insert Chart tab. Now click here to create a pie chart and click OK. Then the chart will be inserted on your Excel worksheet. Now click here to edit the chart title. Now the title has been changed as pie chart. Now click here to choose the layout. Before going to choose the layout, select the inserted chart. Finally, the pie chart has been created and it has been shown below. After inserting the chart, do the following to design the chart. Select the inserted chart and click the change chart type to create a 3D pie chart. Then this screen will open. Now click here to create a 3D pie chart and then click OK. Now the 3D type pie chart has been inserted on your worksheet. Then place the mouse pointer in any cell of the worksheet and then click the mouse. Now the 3D pie chart has been created successfully and inserted in the active worksheet. Thank you. Please share your valuable ideas and comments in the chat box. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.